Continuing in this order, theta here, and we have 180 degrees. Following that is 210 degrees, and then we have 240 degrees, 270 degrees, 300 degrees, 330 degrees, and 360 degrees. We will write out the value of sine theta. As I said earlier, sine 180 degrees is equal to 0, and then sine 210 degrees is minus half. The next one is minus root 3 all over 2, it's in the third quadrant. The next one is minus 1 under 270, followed by root 3 all over 2, and under 330 degrees you have also minus half, and then you have 0. We take the same thing for cos theta. At cos 180 degrees we have minus 1. At cos 210 degrees we have minus root 3 over 2, followed by minus half, followed by 0, and then we have half, and then we have root 3 all over 2, and we have 1. Then finally we have tan theta. As I said earlier, one of the trigonometrical identities that you have to know is that tan theta is the same thing as sin theta divided by cos theta. So carrying out that division here, we have 0 here. If you divide this by this, you will now have a positive value, and that is going to be equal to 1 all over root 3. So when you divide this by this, you have 0. Divide this by this, you have 1 over root 3. Divide this by this, you have root 3. And when you divide minus 1 by 0, you will have infinity or undefined. Then we will have to also divide this, we have minus root 3. We divide this, you have minus 1 all over root 3. And dividing this, you have 0. So with these ones, we have to note, I have said this before, that in trig ratios or in trigonometry, we have tan theta is the same thing as sin theta all over cos theta. This is a trig identity. It's one of the trig identities that we'll discuss later. These values of the trig ratios are the sort equivalent of the angles from 0 degrees up to 360 degrees. In most cases, there are problems that require you to use these ratios, this sort equivalent, to solve the problem. Sometimes the question will be posed for you to solve without using tables, without using calculators, and giving your answer in solved form. That is why it is necessary for you to know how to derive the solved equivalent of these angles. It will help us when we are solving some kind of problems that requires no use of calculator or figure table.